Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix negative picture or ghost image on a Samsung LED TV. You are watching that our colors or display is not good. These are blurred and like ghost. Now I will play a video and you can clearly see what is the fault. So today I will show you how to fix this. This is a Samsung 40K 5000 model. You can see that it has ghost image and we cannot see it clearly. In order to fix this, first of all power off your TV from the remote. Now press the following code without any pause: info, menu, mute and power key. Viewers, press the keys without any pause. If you give pause, then the service menu will not appear. Now I have pressed the keys combination. The TV will power on in the service menu. Here you can find settings that are not available in the normal menu. We have to select the option that is highlighted on the first number. Press OK here and now scroll down to MRT option. Select it by pressing OK key from the remote. Now on the first option you are seeing lvds format. Change it by pressing the right arrow from your remote. Now you are watching that our display is good and all the colors are okay now. The negative. To exit this, power off your TV and power it again. Now our display is okay. I will play the video again to see the display. Guys, you are watching that the video that was previously having ghost image is now okay and all the colors are good. That's the video for today. Kindly leave a like and do subscribe our channel. In case of any queries, ask in comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.